Do you enjoy stories in the New Year spirit? Millions of people have already tried it. That's why we've prepared a tutorial on how to find an interesting New Year's template. Let's jump right into the tutorial. Open the Instagram app and tap the search button at the bottom of the screen. In the search bar, type 7038.rakuten and open the profile with that username. Next, find and open the highlight named Template 1. Scroll through the story templates until you find this one. To add the template to your story, tap Add Yours. Take a photo using the Instagram camera or import one from your gallery. Since photo positioning isn't adjustable, I recommend using horizontal photos as they fit better. Add any extra details you like and share your story with your followers. Here's what my New Year's story looks like. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a like and follow the channel for more ideas.